Before you continue watching this video, as you may see, 99.7% of my viewers are not subscribed to the channel. So, if you have been here more than once and you have enjoyed the videos that you have seen, please consider subscribing. Thank you. Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today, comparing the GoPro Hero 9 Black and Hero 8 Black in terms of size, weight and physical appearance. The GoPro Hero 9 is 34 grams heavier than the GoPro Hero 8 Black. The new, bigger battery on the GoPro Hero 9 Black is responsible for 10 grams extra weight. On the GoPro Hero 9 Black, the removable lens cover is back. This is a feature that a lot of users have asked for. This removable lens cover was missing in the GoPro Hero 8 and could make small accidents very expensive. One of the most anticipated new features on the GoPro Hero 9 is the new front screen. It is now a color screen that can be used as a selfie screen to frame your shots while vlogging, for example. On the GoPro Hero 8 Black, this front screen was a simple monochromatic screen that could give you some basic information about the status of the camera. The touchscreen on the back of the GoPro Hero 9 Black is now bigger than on the previous version. The bezels around the screen are not smaller, but as we now have a bigger camera, there was place for a bigger screen. The GoPro Hero 9 has a new microphone design that should help drain water faster from the microphone. The battery door was also redesigned. Now you have a bigger surface on the latch to open it. With this new design, the battery door will not fly away when you don't want to. You will have to actively pull it out to remove it. When you pull it down, the spring-loaded door will close by itself. This is how it was on the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Both cameras have the folding fingers on the bottom to mount them to accessories. In my opinion, this is a brilliant design from GoPro. And now a visual comparison of the sizes of both cameras.